And it is an absolute furious party. And it is
All right, you've got to watch this wild dash cam video. This is I-91 North in Cromwell. State police are looking for this wild driver that smashes into a big green truck. They serve pizza all around Connecticut, really popular. That's the car that slammed into them right there. The driver evades the scene, runs away. Thankfully, the folks in the big green truck, they were okay. You can actually see them climbing out of the window right there. The owner says they have bumps and bruises. Right now, state police want you to help them find this person who was driving.
To Greg and Jane, Little Claude Jarman, for their inspiring performances, to Paul Osmond for a magnificent screenplay,